everyone! Welcome back sa kusina ni Nenoy. So for today, I decided na gumawa ng experiment pasta dish at tatawagin ko itong spicy and creamy chicken spinach pasta. So kung ano yung available na mga ingredients na nakita ko, yun yung gagamitin ko. And of course, since this is spicy, gagamitin natin yung iba't ibang spices na available lang dito sa bahay. So, I hope that this will turn out good and sana magustuhan nyo rin as you follow the instruction sa dish na ito. Let me know your thoughts about this dish later, and if you like this video, please give this a thumbs up. If you have any tips, ideas, and suggestions, please comment lang kayo below and I would love to hear from you. Kung meron din kayong request, pwede nyo rin pong isama yan sa comments nyo. And also, kung hindi ka pa subscriber ng channel na to, please do subscribe now and click on that tiny bell para notified ka sa mga susunod na videos. So, without further ado, we can start cooking our dish for today. Okay, so ito yung mga ingredients na gagamitin natin. Chicken breast fillet cut into cubes, spinach, we have all-purpose cream, evaporated milk, chopped onions, red bell peppers, garlic, butter, at sa mga cheese, we will use mozzarella and cheddar, and ang ating parmesan cheese. Para sa mga spices, we have cayenne, chili flakes, and ang paprika. For the oil, we will use olive oil. Okay, so while we're heating the pan, ang gagamitin muna natin for this dish, itong ating olive oil together with the butter. I-fry muna natin ang ating chicken. Yung butter na gagamitin natin for additional flavor lang, para lang masarap ang ating chicken. So, this is 3 pieces of chicken breast fillet na kinut into cubes. Okay. We season it with salt and pepper. So, hintayin lang natin maluto yung chicken muna. So, ulitin ko, this dish ay experiment natin for today. So, this is the first time na iluluto ko to. I just really hope na this will turn out good para naman hindi sayang yung effort natin. And, ayun, sana magustuhan mo rin. Today, our other ingredients, itatabi ko lang yung chicken sa side. So, unahin ko yung onions. Follow natin yung red bell pepper. Also, kanina, yung pasta natin, pre-cooked na. Pero hindi ko masyadong niluto kasi what I want is to incorporate or to make sure na kapag niluto pa natin yung sauce dito is kasama yung pastang maluluto para ma-absorb niya talaga yung lasa. And then next is the garlic. Hindi naman kailangan na yung garlic ay maging toasted or brown na sobrang brown. So, at least lang maluto siya enough para magkaroon ng flavor sa chicken. So, ayan. Saute ko na lahat. And then, what we will do is itong ating mga spices. This is paprika, cayenne, and chili flakes. So, a little bit of everything because experiment to. So, let's try kung anong kakalabasan kapag pinagsama-sama natin. So, there's your cayenne, paprika, and ang chili flakes. Lagay ko ng ganyan. So, depende sa'yo kung anong level ng spiciness ang gusto mo. So, you can use as much as you want. Pero, since nag-experiment tayo, wag muna tayo maging mapangahas sa anghang. Ayan. So, dahil nga experiment ito, gusto kong tikman muna yung anghang ng mga spices sa chicken para malaman ko kung kailangan ko siyang i-adjust. Okay. Hindi pa ako satisfied sa level ng anghang niya. Pwede ako magdagdag ng konti pa ng mga spices na nilagay natin. So, yung ating chili flakes. I'm sure okay na to. I also want to add some more salt. Konti lang. Kasi medyo natabangan ako doon sa chicken meat. Now that it's cooked na, I will now add the evaporated milk. This is 370 ml. Our all-purpose cream is 250 ml. But before I add this one in, lalagay ko na muna tong spinach. Okay. If you want to add pepper, pwede naman kung gusto mo. That depends kung mas gusto mo na yung lasa ng pepper sa pasta mo. Every now and then, maganda naman talaga na nag-experiment ka sa mga niluluto mo kasi you'll never know. Halimbawa, meron mga available ingredients dyan and you don't know what to cook. So, yun, mag-experiment ka lang and who knows, pumatok ito sa pamilya mo at masarapan din sila. So, now that the spinach is already cooked, I will add the 250 ml of all-purpose cream. Just a reminder, this is not a sponsored video. Ang mga ginagamit ko po sa channel na to ay sarili kong preferences when it comes to brands na ginagamit ko. Bago pa maging sobrang creamy nitong ating sauce, ilalagay ko na yung mozzarella and cheddar cheeses, and itong ating parmesan cheese. Okay. Yung nabili ko kasing mozzarella and cheddar, combine na yun talaga doon sa isang pouch. Kaya yun, hindi mo naman, mahirap na paghiwalayin yun. Kaya might as well, since masarap naman yung combination niya, it's okay. So, this is a pre-cooked penne pasta. Ilalagay ko na siya dun sa sauce while it's simmering. What I use is a penne pasta and this is 500 grams or half kilo. This is approximately good for 5 to 6 persons. So, since experiment nga, gusto ko munang tikman bago ko i-serve ang ating pasta. Maybe nakikita mo sa video na to, hindi masyadong kita yung mga spices na hinalo. Pero pag tinikman mo, talab yung anghang. Kumbaga, it is an aftertaste na kapag kinain mo. I still want to add more salt. And since this is creamy pasta, hindi naman natin gusto na sobrang creamy lang yung lasa niya. Siyempre, gusto natin yung meron pang laban sa umay factor. Okay. Okay, I'm satisfied with the spiciness and saltiness ng ating pasta. So, plate ko lang ito. And then, we're ready to eat. So, here you go, our spicy and creamy chicken spinach pasta. Happy cooking!